Hello and welcome to Subdivisions Level 1, where we're going to be answering the important questions like what are subdivisions and why are we using them? Put extremely simply, subdivisions are how we subdivide time. So, for example, your quarter notes, your pulse, your sense of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, your numbers. We have, in most cases, 4 of those per bar, thus the name quarter notes. And if you don't know what a bar is, that is just a piece of time that we as musicians have decided to put a line at either side of. So you've got your quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a note in between all of those quarter notes and we get eighth notes, in which we normally count those like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and put notes in between all of those, you get 16th notes, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. And within that, if we take certain notes out, we get almost every rhythm that's ever existed. For example, 16th notes, 3, 4. If I take some notes out, all of a sudden, rhythm comes out of that. So, why is it important that we can go from quarter notes to eighth notes to 16th notes smoothly without speeding up or slowing down? Well, otherwise, time's going to go a little bit wibbly. And as a drummer, we're not allowed to let time go a little bit wibbly. We are the time. So, how do we develop this? Well, we practice going from quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, to eighth notes, 2, 3, 4, to 16th notes, 3, 4, and back down. Let's call it eighth notes. We're not going to get into triplets here. We're just going to keep it really, really simple. Quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th notes. And getting those transitions smooth takes practice and a certain number of little hints that I'm going to give you through this level 1 course. Even if you feel like you're a slightly more advanced than total beginner, I'd still recommend giving this a go because this track starts really slowly, so slowly in fact, that it's actually going to help you develop your internal metronome. We won't get too much into it, but let's get going. So it's going to be with the right hand, center of the snare drum. Dead simple, just follow me. Sorry to disturb, but I just wanted to let you know that this is part 1 of a video mini course. To unlock the rest of the course in video format, just like this, follow the link that is just down in the description. Unless you're getting on just fine with the exercises and never want to see my face ever again. That's fine, I will forgive you. It just depends on how you learn best, but I do suggest the video format is a lot better because I know for a fact that everyone plays these exercises and tries to learn things much too fast. So these videos force you to learn things at the right speed. Either way, it is entirely up to you. Let's get back to it. 2. So 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're feeling it in your body, it will help. If you don't feel anything whatsoever and you don't even know what you're listening for, don't worry about it. Just about knowing and learning how fast that quarter note feels. 3, 4. Okay. We're now going to stop. There's going to be a new tempo come in. I will count you in. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get this, the better. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's got a bit more comfortable. I want you to count out loud while we play it. So 1, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, don't be afraid to lift the sticks up, get some height going on, make it a bit more flowy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make yourself play it what feels like too slowly. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good stuff. We're going to have another tempo now. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try and feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Keep counting out loud. 3, 4. We've got one more tempo change after this. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. That's a lot. I think we have another one for this. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Might be a bit easier now because we're up to a more medium tempo. 3, 4. Awesome. This might be the last one. I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush. 4. Great stuff. Okay, well done on completing today's exercise. As I mentioned before, this is part of a larger video course, but if you want that whole full Monty, you can have it. Just follow the link down in the description. That means we're going through things step by step, really breaking it down and playing along with you, and also making you practice at the right speed, which is way, way slower than you think it should be, as you've just discovered. So if you want that, follow the link down there. If you don't, and you just get along well with the on the page exercises, that is completely fine too. We all learn in different weird and wonderful ways. So if that works for you, roll with that. Either way, see you in a video somewhere. Have a good day. Mwah.